Parti Gagasan Rakyat Sabah leader Nizam Abu Bakar Titingan said the opposition should be grateful to caretaker Chief Minister Hajiji Noor for defending Sabah's natural resources from exploitation by greedy outsiders. Nizam said Warisan and UMNO should have supported Hajiji's decisive action in revoking the prospecting licenses issued to some 20 companies linked to businessman Albert Tay, which had the effect of immediately diffusing the mining scandal that had rocked the state. Instead, Nizam said Hajiji's efforts were disregarded, with the two parties more concerned about using the opportunity to topple the state government rather than safeguard Sabah's interests.
Rakyat boleh melihat bahawa apa yang diperjuangkan oleh parti-parti pembangkang di Sabah ini adalah semata-mata hanya untuk menjatuhkan kerajaan, tetapi tidak ikhlas sebenar-benarnya untuk menyokong dan mendukung perjuangan Datuk Hajiji bagi menjaga negeri Sabah ini supaya tidak dicerobohi ataupun dirosakkan ataupun dirampas oleh orang-orang yang coba mengambil hasil bumi tanpa mengikut peraturan-peraturan yang betul.
In a podcast, Tay admitted that Hajiji had revoked the licenses as too many had been issued. He also acknowledged that the licenses involved only permitted mineral prospecting, not extraction. Nizam recounted that Hajiji had faced threats from a powerful cartel, allegedly backed by a former senior civil servant, that was determined to see the prospecting licenses approved.
Datuk Seri Hajiji tidak meluluskan satu pun lesen yang telah dikemukakan oleh kartel ataupun skandal Lombong Albert Tay ini. Datuk Hajiji tidak tunduk dan terus memastikan bahawa hasil bumi yang ada di Sabah ini dapat diurus dengan baik, dapat dipelihara dan dapat dijaga daripada pihak-pihak yang hanya mementingkan diri mereka sendiri tanpa melihat kepada kepentingan negeri Sabah dan rakyat Sabah.
Natasha Bust, FMT.